Hello.
She's back like she never left.
I have not done makeup like this in a really long time. And there's a reason. Pink. I feel like we should go for a pink vibe today. There just happens to be a hole in my shirt. Okay, what am I doing? I've been doing makeup for 10 years, but I haven't really done my makeup in like a couple of months. I'm talking like really did my makeup. Oh, that is a sexy car. Look at me. I don't even know what I'm doing. At least I pressed play, right? Artist Couture Supreme Glow. I'm gonna just kind of go for things I haven't opened yet. Oh, this is stunning. Oh, I can't use this on my face, but this is stunning. I'm gonna keep this out. Let's use this like illuminating primer because also it hasn't been opened yet. Oh, this is kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a little disappointed in myself. I have not done a creative, fun, colorful makeup in a really long time. The new Healthy Glow foundation from Too Faced. Oh, she looks watery. Perfect. Oh, my foundation brushes are so dirty. This is proof as to where I'm at right now with makeup. Oh, gross. Makeup has not been bringing me joy. And I don't think makeup has been bringing me joy for a couple of years. I think I rediscovered that joy in 2020 when I started just creating these fun but wearable makeups. But now you're lucky if you catch me with an eyeliner. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. A fun makeup with rhinestones. Probably more on the wearable side. I don't think I am like in a go big, go home kind of mood today. I'm just more like I had nothing better to do. No, that's not true. I'm so mean to myself. Like I haven't even washed this sponge in maybe a month. That's disgusting. I am still gonna use it though. Haven't used this guy. Cover, protect. Oh, I don't like the sprayer on that. Ooh. Do you like my calming music? It really helps me focus so much. You have no idea. I feel like I'm in a little fairy forest right now. I do, in fact, like this foundation a lot. Yes, I do. Confirmed. Maybe we did a little too much there. For the longest time as a beauty creator, I would sit down and start doing my makeup and I would just dread sitting down and doing my makeup. At some points, I wouldn't even get to the chair to sit down and do it because I would just dread doing it that much. I noticed too that my work would start becoming super lazy and super rushed, and it really became the scariest thing in the world to sit down and not want to do what you had been doing for 10 years. But I don't really think that it was honestly a sudden change. I think it was like very, very slowly. The less and less I wanted to film, the less and less I wanted to really do my makeup. Hi. Yay, yay. Pink, pink, pink. I know I said pink. Can I do pink and orange? Is that okay? I think we're gonna do pink and orange. Oh, baby. You're stunning. Give it to me. I changed up my style of makeup and the way that I was filming my content in 2020 to just quicker tutorials and more creative tutorials, a lot more rhinestones, a lot more color, and less reviews. That was a big one for me. Reviews are so freaking boring. They're boring. I said it. I said it. I would much rather have the product literally in front of me and be like, I like this, I hate this, take it as you will. The purpose behind creating tutorials for me just disappeared. The massive collection of makeup that I had started to just feel like a burden. It felt like it was taking up space, not only in my literal space, but taking up space in my life. What shade is this? Did I fuck up? Why does it look so dark? I like can't do my eyebrows anymore since getting them laminated. They just look so good when they were laminated. We need a touch up, my friend. There is one thing though that hasn't changed with me and makeup. Oh, I'm kind of scared to do this right now. It's that when I actually do my makeup, I feel stunning. Like I feel gorgeous. And when it's a colorful, over the top, glittery makeup, like we're doing right now, I feel like I could take on the world. I really do. She's not even done yet. She's doing it. She's doing some eyeliner. Not just any color. We're doing this passion. This passion color. Stunning. 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 Who the fuck is she? I don't fucking know. I almost want to add this green. I love how I'm going just the opposite direction of every color that I said I was gonna do, because this ain't orange, this ain't pink, it's red. It's red. I have to go to the bathroom. I'll hold it in just for you. You're probably like, Julia, don't do that just for me. My coffee. Could do some like neon pink rhinestones. Green. Oh, they're pearls. No, they weren't looking like Christmas out here. I can't do green and red. It just looks like Christmas every single time. Okay, maybe I really should go to the bathroom. Hold on, let me pick my rhinestones first. This is why you have bladder issues, Julia. These are kind of Halloween-y. Yeah, they're kind of Halloween-y. I love these though. These are gorgeous. Gorge. Nothing's giving. No. Maybe like these 3 neon ones. Like we're gonna go fiery. Oh, look at that. Yeah. I would do like green on the inner corner, but maybe hot pink. Hold on. You would think, I even was gonna say, maybe I need to just buy something, buy some makeup to bring out my inner, this one? Or no, the hot pink one. Maybe I need to like buy new makeup or more rhinestones to make me feel alive. But I feel like just going through my drawers is like buying something. Wonderful. I'm gonna kind of go for this first. Oh, that's stunning. Wow, if this comes out like hella amazing, I'm gonna have to do this again. I really should do this with my creativity every day. Wake up, do a makeup. I think that is so cute. Wow. Even like my mood gets a little bit better with makeup. Mascara. Honestly, this is probably so old I shouldn't use it. What are you? You're okay. You're just a mini. Maybe we don't even need falsies. I haven't used waterproof mascara or falsies in like 2 months, and I think they're doing my lashes damn good, because I really feel like my lashes have not looked better. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Granted, that's the good eye, so hold on. Yup, I think we might go no falsies. With the green? Wait, that's a mood. Oh my god. Do I need to change my whole idea? Because that doesn't feel Christmas, does it? No. The creativity is coming back. I love this. I love this for me. Okay, we have those green ones. They're pearls. Not emerald green. Oh, these are funky. They're little circles. Green. Why don't I have green rhinestones? Me over here obsessed with green, and I've got like 3 green rhinestones. Not the green I want. Okay, I know I really don't need anything, but if I don't have green rhinestones, like what I'm picturing in my brain, I think I might need to get some. There's no green in this one, no green in this one. There's green butterflies. Houston, we have a problem. How do I not have green rhinestones? This is a disaster. No, this isn't cool. Okay, I have to go to the bathroom. Give me a moment. I didn't find green rhinestones, but I have my coffee now, and I have these. And now I'm making the look surrounded by these earrings. I know I said I don't like red and green, but this is different. We added pink. I swear to God, if my period goes right through my pants, it gets on this chair. These are cute. Nick's gonna come home from golfing and he's gonna be like, who the fuck are you? He's gonna be like, what did you do with my girlfriend? This is your real girlfriend, buddy. All right, I'm gonna look one more time. Let me see if maybe I have an eyeliner that kind of goes with the nails, because look at the nails, look at the earrings. I'm obviously gonna take pictures, and when I do take pictures, I'm like terrified for my butt. I'm putting this, I'd rather get this pillow bloody than the chair bloody. Oh, don't tell anybody. Oh, look at this one. That's cool. I just kind of want more of the metallic-y green. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. You see that other one? I don't know. Last but not least, it's poopy. It's not bright like my soul. Poof! Gone out of thin air. And that's rude. Wait, I found green. A bitch didn't look hard enough. I'm not gonna lie to you, the rhinestoning process is boring as all hell. It's actually also the most annoying thing to film in the world. So I'm gonna rhinestone my face, and I'll be back. Hello. I know I said I wasn't gonna put lashes on, but now that this is all up in our business here, I feel like I need a lash. So we're gonna put a lash on. I hate when you look at a lash and you don't know which is the end and which is the inner corner. I don't think that was what I was going for. Let's try this again. Oh, these could work. Doot. Coffee. So much better. Let's see if I remember how to do this.
I guess she still got it.